Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the introduction of our lesson 4, which is about signals. This topic is very important, especially in communication system, because signals are what allow us to transfer information from one place to another. First, let's define what a signal is. A signal is any physical phenomenon that conveys information from one place to another. In simple terms, it is something that carries information. It can be in the form of sound, action, gesture, electrical impulse, or electromagnetic wave. As we've learned, signals play a crucial role in communication by carrying information from one point to another. But did you know that signals actually come into major types, analog signals and digital signals? To help us understand more about the first major type of signal, which is the analog signal, I will now turn it over to our next reporter, who will discuss it further.
Hi, I'm Lawrence, and so what is analog signal? An analog signal is a continuous signal in both time and amplitude, representing real-world phenomena like sound and temperature. It offers infinite resolution, varies in waveform, and is prone to noise. Analog signals are used in applications such as audio systems, sensors, communication, and instrumentation. So now let's move on to the next topic.
So next is about digital signals. Unlike analog signals that are continuous, digital signals use discrete values to represent information. Think of it like a light switch. It's either on, can be represented by the number 1, or off, can be represented by 0. This binary system is the foundation of how computer works. Digital signals are crucial because they're less susceptible to noise. This means that the signals stay clean and reliable, which is why they are used in computers, smartphones, and the internet.
What is periodic signal? Periodic signal is a type of signal that repeatedly follows the same pattern or cycle within the specific time interval. Periodic signal is a sine wave na merong 360 or 2 pi ang isang cycle. Example of periodic signal is yung traffic light. The switching of traffic lights follow a periodic signal pattern for every 30 seconds or 60 depende kung rush hour. So another example of periodic signal is the day and night cycle, the alternation of day and night.
Any analog or digital signal that doesn't repeat its pattern over a period of time is called a periodic signal. The characteristic of this signal is that it is not so easy to be assumed or to be calculated. Example of this signal is the daily routine of a person. It consists of various types of work which take different time intervals for different duty. Applications of a periodic signal includes real-world and transient signal analysis, noise analysis, data transmission, system design, signal processing, and lastly, filter design.